Hi guys, today I'm going to change an engine mount on my car, and the place I'm going to do it is actually quite special. It's called a hobby workshop in German to English translation, and basically it's a place where you can go as a car owner, car enthusiast, and park your car, use their ramp and tools for an hourly rate. In this case it's about 16 euros an hour. Let me show you how it works. Look, you drive in here, he told me to go to number 11. So here we are, number 11. Oh damn, it's all wet. Never mind. Just parked my car here. Annoyingly, it's all wet and I have to climb on the floor. And look, you get this toolkit and you've got basically everything. You've got a torque wrench, you've got this air gun, and you've got an entire, basically everything you need. And if you need anything else, you just go and ask them and they give it to you to do all the work you want. It's fantastic, honestly. I came here last week and did another engine mount, and today I'm doing the last one, the final one. I mean, it's great, isn't it? It's just fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna get to work and I'll catch up with you guys later. Well, I managed to remove the engine mount and I'm sweating, it's hot in here. But it was sitting here, so I removed it. And this is one little thing that I kind of got really annoyed about. I contacted the local Toyota dealer here in Berlin, and he wanted 300 euros plus for this part. So I decided to look on, I think it was called fittingparts.jp, and this exact part, the part number that's on the catalogue, was actually not available from there. And I was like, well, so I went on another website and I found it on Partsook or something, and it was 100 and something euros. So the price was half the price for the exact same part, Toyota genuine part. And this part number, when I Googled it, this was made in Poland or Europe somewhere. So I was like, oh well, that's kind of expensive. So what I then did was I looked on the Toyota parts catalogue and tried to find this exact car, which is made in Thailand with a 1.6 engine. It's called a Corolla Altis Limo, and it's got the same engine. Actually, it's not got the exact same engine. The throttle body is different. This one hasn't got a cable throttle. However, I found this part, which is made in Thailand, for 50 euros plus delivery. Delivered, I think it was 88 Singapore dollars, which is about, I think, 60, 70 pounds, or 60, 70 euros. And I was like, well, that's just a total rip-off, Toyota. Why is your Toyota dealer here trying to charge 300 plus euros? The parts pricing is totally way off. But anyway, I'm not too fussed now. I've got the part. I'm going to fit it back up and take it for a test drive, and hopefully it'll be okay after that. I'm also going to change the brakes. It's missing the shim, so it squeals when braking. So I've just got to disassemble them, grease them up and sort them out, and then we're good to go. It's pretty cool in here, it must be said. It must be said. It's probably one of the coolest workshops I've seen. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done. Well, I'll put it all back together. I replaced these shims. The brakes were squealing pretty badly. So I replaced these. I put some of this silver brake paste, whatever. I cleaned it up and lubricated it up. But the pads were cheap as well, so I may try replacing those if this doesn't work. This is the Toyota part. So fitting disc kit. But otherwise, yeah, I was looking around the car and it's fine. There's nothing else up with it. Yeah, my only other solution for the brakes was that on the near side, on this side, there's like there's little metal clips. I don't even know what you call them. The sliders where the pads sit on the caliper. It goes between the pad and the caliper, and one of them was snapped in half. So it could be that causing the squeak. If so, I'll have to order a new one and take this off again next time I'm here, or maybe I'll make a special trip. I quite enjoy coming here actually, because you can just chill out. They've got music playing, and you can just work on your car. It's warm in here. It's like really hot, but yeah, I love it. Let me show you around quickly. They have all your wheel changer, balance zone changer. They even have 2 Hunter alignment machines down there. It's fantastic, really it is. I've never seen anything like this in the UK, and even if it was, it wouldn't be to this like standard and condition. Just look at it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch up with you guys next time.